You know what you want to say, but the words don't come out. Your mind goes blank in the middle of the sentence. You repeat words and get stuck. You start speaking fast because of nervousness. You feel embarrassed, so you fumble even more. So, before learning fluency, we must understand fumbling is a normal issue. It happens to almost everyone, but with small techniques, it can be improved. Today, we'll observe Aishwarya Roy's interview clips, not to copy her, not to judge her, but to learn simple speaking habits that make anyone sound calm and fluent. Before we begin, just listen to Aishwarya Roy for a moment.
Before that, the dream was medicine, to actually become a doctor. And then along the journey, because I've always been, I was a science student, but also inclined towards the arts. I decided to discover architecture, which to me was a blend of the science and the arts.
Let me break it down logically. I like to explain it using Aishwarya never rushes. Her pace is steady, and that stability keeps her thoughts organized. Add pauses. I mean micro pauses.
I think she's just taken that vision forward and even more gloriously and ready to do so much more. I think that's perfect for today, you know, to kind of get the children more
I
and
like
more.
the story. The movie has a large heart and is going to be speaking about something very important that I feel is has always been topical, has always been relevant.
If you observe carefully, Aishwarya doesn't pause only after a sentence, she takes tiny natural mini pauses inside the sentence too. These micro pauses are like little commas in her breath. Very short, maybe half a second, but they give her voice controlled, graceful rhythm. Now, L, that just means limit your sentence length.
I'm quite a paradox to this medium, or quite different. I'm one who comes to can and enjoys the croissants, and and loves the energy and the spirit for which I've come to this country. And we're normal people, so it's important to live as well while we enjoy our industry with the rest of the world.
Long sentences can confuse your brain, short sentences keep your thoughts clear. And yes, Aishwarya does speak long sentences very efficiently, but that's because she has years of experience behind her. For us, the best thing to learn is this: start with shorter, cleaner lines so your speech feels stable and controlled. She breaks her ideas into small, clean lines, and that automatically makes her sound polished. M simply means manage your thoughts. Now, this is the real secret.
I think for me to have had the blessing of you calling me relevant at this very moment, so many years working here, I accord that blessing to my audience because they are the reason I get to enjoy these very kind words.
See how important the sequence is. If five ideas run in your mind at the same time, your tongue will definitely fumble. Aishwarya does one simple thing. She focuses on one idea at a time, finishes it, then moves to the next. That's what gave her that calm, controlled tone. That's why even her long sentences feel effortless. So, what's the biggest fluency takeaway from observing her speaking style? From these clips, one thing stands out: fluency is not a speed, fluency is control. When speech is steady, ideas are broken into small parts and pauses feel natural, fumbling automatically reduces. Subscribe for more English and personality development videos like this. And do leave a comment. I genuinely feel more connected when you comment.